I got my boy Tommy. Got what, 9 bullets? And a bunch of people to kill.
Amber!
Amber's gone. Oh my gosh. I hate the helmet so much. We're just spamming, bro. I know I should be going for headshots. Holy crap. Tommy, help me! I see you. I see you. Maybe not. I ran right past you. Come on. Slice them.
I saw them go that way.
Come on. Crap, crap. This is not good. This is not good. Grab this. Watch out, Tommy!
Mother!
Oh my gosh, this is not good, bro. I'm using way too much ammunition.